Alright everyone, thanks for tuning in tonight. I appreciate it. So started off down here in the corner with the pipe boxes again. And had to reset the laser up, which took an eternity. And then basically tore down the old box that we hung up there yesterday and just set it up on a new line because there was no way we were going to figure out why it wasn't lining up. So we just took that down and reset that up, and then we were back on track. So we got the boxes and the pipe hung, going down there, over to here, over to here. So we got this side done. We didn't start the other side. We changed kind of directions. So this pipe right here turns. So we finished running that out of there, connecting it to the other box that's going to be exposed right here. And then ran that pipe out of there into the insulation box over there, which is why it's 12 inches down. And then from there, came back out of that one, ran over the top of these pipes, and then kicked that back from the ceiling down to the rack and ran that right next to the other 1-inchers. And then we moved that box that was right back here. I rolled a 1-inch right here, and then my coworker did the box offset right there, so it's nice and tight to the ceiling, which looks good. For some reason, it does look like a little bit. Now that I look at it, it looks a little bit. Maybe not. I don't know. Maybe there's maybe there's a little bend right there on the 1-inch, but for the most part, it looks pretty good. It's pretty much tight, close to that one. It's above it though, so you can see a little gap of air right there. So just use the edge of that pipe as a reference point, but that pipe is still loose, so we can push that over if we need to. But yeah, so got that. Rolled a big offset right there, so it'll push it over and get it to the ceiling, and then box offset right there, and then 5-inch offset back to the rack. And then we just have to come out of this with a 1/2-inch pipe over to wherever it is, that dot right there. So I have to go out of there, 90 into there, and then we can start going on the next row of lights right here. As you can see, this one, so that one's gonna be taken down and put up to the ceiling right there. So these will all be on the ceiling as well. So we can start doing those 5 or 6 tomorrow. And then I think that should be all the exposed boxes for the, at least for the lighting. There's still like a camera and stuff that we have to run pipe down there for camera and fire alarm probably, but that'll take care of the lighting. And then the rest of it will be in the insulation like this, 12 inches down. And that pretty much wraps up the day. So I figured we were going to be doing both of these, but it kind of changed and did all this other stuff right here, and then there, and then there. So it wasn't a bad day. So started out slow with the laser setup, but other than that, things got better, and I'm happy now. So that's good, and I can go home. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. I hope to see you guys back here tomorrow. Don't forget about the giveaway that ends tomorrow. And yeah, check out the description for anything else. And hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload videos or do live streams. Thanks guys. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your night. Peace out. And there's not going to be progress on the house for a while, till like next week, because they failed an inspection or something. So they have to re-inspect or whatever, and then they're not going to get started till next week. So that'll probably be a while. But anyways, other than that, have a great night guys, and I will see you back here tomorrow. Peace out.